Okay, welcome to a little video of the flight of this Air 2S. S2S has a 1-inch camera, much better camera than the actual ordinary Air. So really nice tidy drone actually, a few minor marks. I'm going to leave these propellers on, which have got a few small marks on there, because if you're new you will chip a propeller. It's pointless having brand new propellers on a drone, because they make practically no difference at all, even if they're chipped up really badly. But well, saying that, they do a bit, but okay, anyway, let's get on with it. Just show you. So sticks to the opposing bottom corners. That starts the drone up. This is my little phone holder, just puts the phone up a little bit higher and you can tilt it independently. I highly advise one of these, they're really good. We've got a camera that moves up and down, and of course in the with the 1-inch sensor on 4K, it's pretty phenomenal. So we just lift her up nice and slowly. There we go, perfect hover as per normal with any DJI product. There's our view out the window. If we just put our hand underneath, the sensors sense the obstacle. So there we go, look, just rotate it round nice and slowly with the cine mode. And there we go. So there's me filming you, sat on my bed, nice and easy. So yeah, these are really nice drones actually. They're not too big, they're not like Mavic Pro size, but they certainly pack a punch in the photography area. So anyway, we've got some just need to go to safety and advanced safety, and there'll be air sense. We don't want that. What we want is obstacle avoidance off. That means I can fly out the window. Straight outside. Lovely job. So anyway, now as we've gone outside, the home point will hook up with GPS and it'll tell it where the home point is. So we've got f2.8 on this camera. Beautiful little camera on these. Really nice footage. If any of you have been following me on the internet, you'll see the patio is practically now all finished. Coming along nicely. And we've actually got a bit of gardening going on, so Gardener's World is being watched at the moment. There's me looking out the window. Anyway, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll just point it, send it up. Home point's just been updated, and there we go. Beautiful footage of Wiltshire. So collections welcome if you're near Bath or Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, that sort of area. Just spin round. I mean, let's put the camera down a bit so you can see the footage rather than looking at a bright white screen. The camera goes right the way down to that, so that's pretty impressive. So it's all going to get a bit boring, but flying drones is really good fun, especially if you've got a bit of space as well. So that's about it really. Thanks for watching. I'll bring her down and land her, but it's all pretty straightforward. Bye bye.